Imagine this, a YouTube channel, launched just a few months ago, generating over $155,000 in the last 60 days by simply uploading motivational videos. And get this, its second ever upload racked up more than 1 million views. That's not just good, that's revolutionary. In this in-depth guide, I'm pulling back the curtain on how you can create your own YouTube automation empire. The kicker? You won't need a single employee. I've pinpointed AI tools that automate the entire creation process, letting you scale effortlessly. To prove this isn't just talk, here's a quick peek at a video I assembled in just 15 minutes. Honestly, I think it outperforms that 1 million view video I just mentioned. Stick around until the very end, because I'm also going to share a high-value tip I've gained from operating multiple successful faceless YouTube channels. Scripting magic with AI. Our journey begins with identifying compelling video concepts and developing a solid script. To generate our script, we'll tap into one of today's most sophisticated AI writing tools, ChatGPT. While ChatGPT 4 offers peak performance, earlier versions will still yield excellent results. Simply open a new chat window. I've developed a precise prompt specifically designed to generate scripts that capture the ancient, sagely tone ideal for Stoicism-themed channels. This prompt is quite detailed, so you'll find its full text readily available for use. Your only task will be to customize the prompt by inserting your chosen video topic. The AI will then tailor the script to fit your specific subject. Since my topic is already set, I'll go ahead and submit the prompt. Observe how it meticulously crafts the entire narrative with that distinctive, profound tone, perfect for Stoicism content. A brilliant feature of this prompt is its ability to seamlessly integrate wisdom from figures like Marcus Aurelius, significantly elevating the content's depth and authenticity. When planning your actual video length, aim for scripts that fall within the 1,500 to 1,600 word range. This typically translates to an approximately 8-minute video. Achieving this length is crucial because the RPM revenue per me or earnings per 1,000 views tends to be substantially higher for longer videos. With our initial script draft complete, we're ready for the next phase of our blueprint, elevating your content with AI voiceovers. Now, let's bring our script to life with a compelling voice. If you're finding this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment to help boost its visibility. Your engagement truly helps the channel grow. Instead of the significant expense of hiring a professional voiceover artist, I've discovered an unparalleled AI text-to-speech solution. This tool generates a voice with the absolute perfect tone and vocal quality. The platform is called ElevenLabs. Simply register for a free account and navigate to their voice library. Here, you can preview various voice samples to determine their sound and suitability. The voice named Marcus, characterized by its authoritative and deep resonance, is simply ideal. Let's hear a sample. Let us always meet each other with a smile. For the smile is the beginning of love. That's precisely what we need. Typically, you'd click to add it to your voice lab, but I've already completed this step. Once you're in your voice lab, just click to use it, which will take you to the synthesis page. No need to adjust any settings here. I'll paste my script and then hit generate. The system will now begin synthesizing the voiceover. As you'll quickly notice, it processes the script in small segments, so allow it a moment to complete the full narration. Once done, simply click the small download icon located in the bottom right corner. If you're serious about building this type of channel, I strongly recommend creating a main folder for your channel. And within that, save your newly generated voiceover file directly into that asset folder. It's time to add the visual dimension to our video. I'll be using Midjourney for this, primarily because it offers a fantastic feature for generating multiple images that maintain a consistent artistic style. However, feel free to use any free alternative image generation software. The key is simply to obtain compelling images for your video content. Next, paste the prompt into your chat with the Midjourney bot, ensuring that the bot has been added to your server. You can click the small regenerate button to get a wider variety of image options, which I'll do now. After the images are generated, download all the visual assets and save them into your dedicated video folder. Now, we're going to combine all these distinct elements, and with the streamlined approach I'm about to reveal, it'll only take a few minutes. The most efficient tool for this task is Canva. It's incredibly user-friendly, intuitive, and most importantly, completely free. Here's your action plan. Open the Canva website, select Create a Design, and then choose YouTube Gaming Video. This will present you with a blank canvas, as you can see here. Your initial step is to integrate your AI-generated images onto individual pages. To do this, click on Uploads in the left sidebar, then select Upload Files. I've already uploaded my images in advance, so I'll simply select them from my uploads and place them onto the pages by clicking the blank page and then selecting the desired image. It's important to adjust the display duration for each image. You can choose a duration that best suits your video's pacing. I'll set mine to 10 seconds per image. Next, select your first picture and click Animate. Scroll down and apply a subtle zoom effect to each image. I recommend replicating my settings for this. Crucially, remember to click Apply to all pages. You have the option to experiment with various transitions, but I advise sticking to the most straightforward ones to avoid distracting your viewers. Apply these chosen transitions to all pages, and let's move forward. Following this, click on Elements and search for Old Film. You'll find a specific overlay that I personally favor, but any similar effect will suffice. Ensure it's scaled to perfectly fit your canvas. Then, simply duplicate this overlay and place it on every single page, as we want this consistent visual effect throughout the entire video. Everything seems to be coming together nicely. Now it's time to incorporate the voiceover. Just click Uploads again, and then upload your voiceover file. In Canva, a simple click will integrate it as an audio track. I typically shift it slightly forward so that the audio doesn't begin the instant the video starts playing. Sounds good, looks good. If you still feel like something is missing, it's because we need background music. To find a truly great, copyright-free track that you can use on YouTube without any issues, navigate to a royalty-free music website like Pixabay. Try searching using keywords like ancient or mysterious, and you'll uncover a wealth of excellent suggestions. I found one that perfectly complements this style of video, so go ahead and download your chosen track. Then, follow the identical process you used for the voiceover, upload it and apply it to your video. Remember to carefully adjust the music's volume so it enhances the voiceover without overwhelming it. Let's give the clip another listen now.
Infinite nature of all things. Every morning, before the world begins its cacophony, take a moment.
The impact is immense. Our video is almost complete with just one crucial final detail remaining: subtitles. For these types of videos, captions are non-negotiable. Since the video doesn't rely heavily on dynamic visual footage, text becomes essential for viewer engagement. While Canva doesn't appear to offer automatic subtitling, I've discovered another AI tool that generates incredibly accurate subtitles in under a minute. The tool I'm referring to is CapCut. Simply head over to their website and upload your video as demonstrated here. Then, confirm that the upload was successful and the video plays correctly. Now, click on the Captions tab on the left, then Auto Captions, and finally Generate. You'll observe that it has accurately generated subtitles for the entire video, and they are grammatically precise. I typically position them centrally, and then we'll proceed to customize the text style. Just click on the small T icon on the right, and you'll be presented with various styling options to refine the appearance. I'm going to scroll through the text styles until I find serif, as it inherently possesses a classical, almost ancient Greek aesthetic in my opinion. Next, slightly reduce the opacity to ensure the text isn't stark white. After that, activate the shadow effect and set its color to black. This simple addition will give the text a subtle but effective sense of depth. If we play the video again, you'll immediately notice the significantly improved appearance of the subtitles. All that remains is to export the video and download it, but this final step is also very important. Once you press export in the top right corner, you must adjust the output settings to ensure the video is rendered at the highest possible quality, as shown in the settings here. Then, simply allow it to process and download your final video file. Congratulations! You have now officially produced your very first faceless video. Always remember, the most vital components for sustained success are consistency and a relentless focus on outperforming your competitors in terms of quality. Keep these principles firmly in mind. See you in the next video.